Hello YouTube, today I'll be showing you my zippo collection, and so yeah, this will just be a quick video. First we got the Street Crime gift box, fuel, lighter, and flints. So it's been opened. So yeah, Street Crime. That's gift box number 1. So number 2 we have black ice with a cross. So this is $39. Don't have a fuel can for it because it kind of went away. Used it. Yep. So this is the Zippo black ice. I don't know if they're stuffed up or not, because it shows the cross when you open it. So that's number 2. That's made in January, I think, or June or something like that, in 2010. So that's zipper number 2. I have 5 zippers to show today. Okay, so this, I'll leave this for last. This is my zipper that I got off eBay. It's really nice zipper. It's part of the Mezzy collection. It's the Winter Wolves, so yeah. It's got a brushed chrome at the back, polished chrome on the tops, and just a design there. So very nice. I recommend it. It's a really nice lighter. You can get it off eBay. Yeah, you can get it off eBay. And it's brushed on the sides. I really like this, and this is painted on. It's not yeah. It's by Zippo, it's just a Mezzy collection. And it comes done. Tells you about his life and what he's done. Mezzy guy. Pretty lame. Number 4. Flaming horse. Flaming pony named Wildfire. It's genuine zipper letter. Got this off eBay. So, really nice. Like brand new still. Butane lighter, that's in nearly every box. So here it is. It's really got a nice matte finish on it. But unbreak it first. It's never been opened. Really nice decal on it. It's really polishy. Yeah. Very nice lighter. What did you say? My last one is zippo slim, black with red border. You can see another video about this. I didn't post an unboxing about this, but I did post an unboxing about the Mazzy wolves and the horse flaming. So this is it. It's genuine zippo. Another matte black. So yeah. Look for a new butane later. Very nice zippo. I have opened this one, but I haven't filled it. I don't think I will fill it. Very nice softish feeling because it's matte paint. I recommend if you ever see the zippo, I recommend you buy it. It's got the logo down there, the red border. So yeah. This does have a different sound compared to the zippo, men's zippo. They say this is a women's zippo, but I don't think so. So listen to the sound between the slim and the normal zippo. Now normal zippo. So slim. Wait. Slim. Now normal water. So you can automatically hear that. So hurt my finger. So anyway, and another thing is in between the slim and that normal slim and thick. The size is very, very different, and along on the side as well. Tell it's a lot smaller. Chimney's a lot smaller as well. Whereas a normal zippo's chimney is a lot bigger. So for this zippo, it takes the same flints, same fluid, same wick, same spark wheel. It's just the insert is a lot smaller, and that it has that design on the bottom. So I recommend you get this one as well. Just quickly show you all of them together. Those three first. Cross, Mazzy wolves, slim, flaming horse, and most of all, street crime. So that's all of them. All my zippos. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe.